Alright, we're going to solve a exponential equation here. Is 801 equals 23 raised to the x, and now to the side plus 6. So what we're trying to solve for is up in that exponent position, which makes it very hard to get to. So we're going to need to convert it to a logarithm at some point. So keep in mind what we're going to do here is there's a formula that we use, x equals the log base a of y can be converted to a to the x equals y, and that ax and y are just placeholders. So we're trying to go from the bottom form to the top here. Okay. So we're going to see if we can do that. But what we don't have here is something added or subtracted to any of these terms in the property. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to move this 6 over. And when I move the 6 over, I will have 795, because I'm subtracting 6, equals 23 raised to the x. Now I can apply my property from the second version down here. And I'm going to convert this over to log base 23 of 795 equals x. So that x is out there all by itself. So this is an exact answer. You could leave your answer this way. You could use the change of base formula and write it as log of 795 over log of 23. That is the same thing, and that's still an exact answer. If you want a decimal approximation, you can put it in the calculator. So you can do log of 795, divide that by log of 23, and it comes out to be about 2.1299. So any of these three versions here are fine. You just got to know how to get there. If you're going to solve this appropriately, you're definitely going to go through the first version. You can take it to the second version. You can take it to a decimal if you like. Thank you.